Top 20 Most Expensive Honda Motorcycles in the World. At number 20 is the Honda Rebel 1100 DCT. This motorcycle was launched in 2021. It has a starting price of approximately $10,999. The bike is powered by a 1084cc parallel twin engine. It can reach a top speed of around 100 miles per hour. The Rebel 1100 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 4.2 seconds. It delivers approximately 50 miles per gallon fuel economy and is available in 3 color options. At number 19 is the Honda NT 1100. Introduced in 2022, this touring motorcycle costs around $11,499. It features a 1084cc engine. The top speed is approximately 125 miles per hour. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3.9 seconds. Fuel economy is about 54 miles per gallon, and the motorcycle is available in 3 colors. At number 18 is the Honda Africa Twin. First launched in 2016, it has a price of approximately $11,799. The bike is equipped with a 1084cc engine. It reaches a top speed of around 124 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes about 4 seconds. Fuel economy is close to 50 miles per gallon, and Honda offers it in 4 different colors. At number 17 is the Honda CB1000R Black Edition. Released in 2021, this motorcycle costs approximately $12,999. Power comes from a 998cc engine. The top speed is around 145 miles per hour. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.3 seconds. Fuel economy is about 42 miles per gallon, and it is available in 2 color options. At number 16 is the Honda CBR 650R E-Clutch. Launched in 2024, it carries a price tag of around $13,299. The motorcycle features a 649cc inline-4 engine. Its top speed is approximately 140 miles per hour. The bike reaches 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.8 seconds. Fuel economy is around 50 miles per gallon, and it comes in 3 colors. At number 15 is the Honda CBR 1000RR. Originally introduced in 1992, this superbike costs approximately $17,099. It is powered by a 999cc engine. The top speed is around 186 miles per hour. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Fuel economy is approximately 35 miles per gallon, and Honda offers it in 2 colors. At number 14 is the Honda CBR 1000RR ABS. Launched in 2009, it costs around $17,399. The motorcycle uses a 999cc engine. Top speed is approximately 186 miles per hour. It reaches 100 kilometers per hour in around 3.1 seconds. Fuel economy is about 35 miles per gallon, and it is available in 2 colors. At number 13 is the Honda CB 1300 Super 4 SP. Introduced in 2019, this bike is priced at approximately $18,000. It is powered by a 1284cc engine. The top speed is around 150 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes about 3.5 seconds. Fuel economy is around 39 miles per gallon, and the motorcycle comes in 2 colors. At number 12 is the Honda CB 1300 Super Bulldor SP. Released in 2019, it costs approximately $18,500. The motorcycle features a 1284cc engine. Top speed is around 150 miles per hour. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.5 seconds. Fuel economy is approximately 39 miles per gallon, and it is available in 2 colors. At number 11 is the legendary Honda Goldwing. Originally launched in 1975, the modern version starts at approximately $25,200. It is powered by a massive 1,833 cubic centimeter 6-cylinder engine. The top speed is around 112 miles per hour. It reaches 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 4.1 seconds. Fuel economy is around 41 miles per gallon, and it comes in 3 color options. At number 10 is the Honda Goldwing DCT. Introduced in 2018, it costs around $26,000. Power comes from a 1,833 cubic centimeter 6-cylinder engine. Top speed is approximately 112 miles per hour. The motorcycle accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 4 seconds. Fuel economy is around 41 miles per gallon, and it is available in 3 colors. At number 9 is the Honda Goldwing Tour. Released in 2018, this touring machine costs approximately $28,700. It features a 1,833 cubic centimeter engine. The top speed is around 112 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes about 4 seconds. Fuel economy is close to 40 miles per gallon, and Honda offers it in 3 colors. At number 8 is the Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP. Introduced in 2020, it carries a price of approximately $28,999. The motorcycle is powered by a 999 cubic centimeter engine. It can exceed 186 miles per hour. The Fireblade SP reaches 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3 seconds. Fuel economy is around 35 miles per gallon, and it is available in 1 color. At number 7 is the Honda Goldwing Tour DCT. Launched in 2018, this motorcycle costs around $29,700. It features a 1,833 cc engine. Top speed is approximately 112 miles per hour. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4 seconds. Fuel economy is close to 40 miles per gallon, and it comes in 3 colors. At number 6 is the Honda Goldwing Tour Airbag. Released in 2018, it costs approximately $32,000. The motorcycle uses a 1,833 cc 6-cylinder engine. Top speed is around 112 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes about 4 seconds. Fuel economy is around 40 miles per gallon, and it is available in 2 colors. At number 5 is the Honda RVF 750 RC45. Introduced in 1994, this collector's motorcycle is valued at over $50,000 today. It is powered by a 749cc V4 engine. The top speed is approximately 170 miles per hour. It reaches 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.2 seconds. Fuel economy is around 35 miles per gallon, and it was originally offered in 1 color. At number 4 is the Honda NR750. Released in 1992, this rare motorcycle is worth more than $70,000. It features a unique 747cc engine. The top speed is approximately 160 miles per hour. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3.6 seconds. Fuel economy is about 32 miles per gallon, and it was available in 1 color. At number 3 is the legendary Honda RC30. Launched in 1987, this iconic superbike now commands prices exceeding $90,000. It is powered by a 748cc V4 engine. The top speed is around 155 miles per hour. The RC30 reaches 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.8 seconds. Fuel economy is about 38 miles per gallon, and it was offered in 1 color. At number 2 is the Honda RC213 VS. Introduced in 2015, this MotoGP-inspired road bike originally sold for approximately $184,000. It is powered by a 999cc V4 engine. The top speed is around 186 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes only about 2.8 seconds. Fuel economy is around 30 miles per gallon, and it was available in 1 color scheme. And finally, at number 1 is the Honda RC213V MotoGP race bike. First introduced in 2012, this incredible machine is valued at more than $1 million. It features a 1000cc V4 racing engine. The top speed exceeds 220 miles per hour. The bike can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Fuel economy figures are not officially available because it is a pure racing motorcycle. The bike is offered in Honda's factory racing livery. This is the most expensive and technologically advanced Honda motorcycle ever created. That was our countdown of the top 20 most expensive Honda motorcycles in the world. Which Honda bike is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing motorcycle and car videos.